All right, I just got an order in from Confectionary soaps, and I wanted to share on the vlog channel because you guys know that I'm all about Disney, and this is Disney inspired handmade soaps. And so I just thought these are going to be super cute for my bathroom counter, for cute gifts if you're a Disney fan. Now this was all tied up in a gorgeous bow, but I ripped it open so I could show you. And I didn't get any further than this, and I thought I need to get out my camera and share on the vlog channel. So I heard about this from Angie Bellamar. She's sharing on her Instagram, and there was a launch sale, and things sell out in minutes. And when I say minutes, I mean minutes. So there's a handwritten note thanking me for my order. I love that personal touch. So sweet. And then it looks like I got a couple samples. So Jack in the Woods, it's like a Halloween whipped sugar scrub. And then also this is the Sunsets. And I can't wait to smell all this. This is a whipped sugar scrub, and this is a sample to try. So not everything sells out on the website, but a lot of things do. Look at this, how fun. Oh, I'm gonna have to clean all this up. I ordered a bunch of things and I cannot wait to try them and smell them. So this is the Golden Pineapple Dole Whip whipped sugar scrub. Look how fun. These are gonna make great gifts too. And it's all Disney inspired. Check this out. Under the Sea is the new theme. This is a whipped shaving soap. Isn't that so cool? If you have someone who loves Little Mermaid. I may have to open some of these with the bubble wrap. Tiki Bar Tanlines whipped shaving soap. Okay, I had to open up a couple that were wrapped up. I also got the Under the Sea Soy Wax Candle, and this smells like it's under the sea. It smells like Yacht Club. It smells so good. And then last but not least, I got the Tiki Bars and Tanlines body oil. So wanted to share with you guys if you're a Disney fan and you wanted a cute Disney inspired bath products. Kind of fun. All right, I know you guys are gonna wanna know what these smell like, and I wanna see too. So the very first thing I'm opening up is the Tiki Bar and Tanlines. Look at it, so whipped and fun. It smells like tropical vacation. It really smells like Tiki Bars and Tanlines. All right, I already opened up the candle and smelled it, but I wanted to open up the whipped shaving soap. Look how cute this is. It smells like those Disney shampoo that they have in the hotel and they sell. Oh, and it smells like the Yacht Club. It smells so good. And then the last one that I was so excited to smell, and I got it on my hands already, is the shave sugar, or no, it's the whipped sugar scrub, and this is the Dole Whip. And it smells like Dole Whip. Oh, I cannot wait to go have a shower. All right, guys, just a fun haul. Wanted to share with you guys what I picked up from their sale, and it's just really fun to have some Disney stuff. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to see more videos like this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.